Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and this is my living room. Today, we're just going to have a laid-back day. We're going to make some coffee, do some things around the house. It's just going to be a quick video. We've got an ice storm coming. You'll hear about that later in the video. And so I just have some things that I want to get done and prepare for a possible power outage. So if this is something you're interested in, hit that like button. If you're new, thanks for joining my channel. Hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the button next to it, you'll be notified every time I upload, which is on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And I look forward to becoming lifelong friends. All right, so apologies for the lighting. I just figured I would take you through my daily routine, and then we'll get to doing all of the things we've got to do around the house. So we have an ice storm today that is threatening to take out our power. So I want to get as much filming done as I can in case we do, and it's out for days, that my video schedule doesn't get interrupted. And yeah, I need coffee. I didn't sleep well last night. I need to change the filters. I've got 2 of them in the house, and I need to change those. A couple weeks late on that. And then I'm going to film a couple of other videos after that, and I'll get dressed and get it together, but I must have coffee before I can function. Just going to put on a little bit of hydration into my skin. The heat's been kicking on. We'll look outside. I think in one of the last videos I talked about this big snowstorm that was coming. We've had 2 times now where they called for a big snowstorm, and we got maybe 3 to 5 inches, which is not a big snowstorm for me because I was at work the next day because it melted, and yeah. So instead of snow that keeps me in, I'm getting ice. Whatever. I just really don't want to lose power. I also need to fry up some chicken and do some other things like that I can eat cold in case we lose power. I still have some food. I have plenty of cereal and beer. So, all right, let's go get this day started. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I need coffee. All right, so I'm going to sit here and drink some coffee and wait for that to kick in. You saw my concoction. It's just a little bit of Italian sweet creamer, a little bit of dry creamer, a little bit of sugar, 2 scoops of hot chocolate with your coffee. Tastes like chocolate ice cream. So good. Anyway, I like flavored coffees. I like regular flavored coffee too, but I don't know, it's a morning. It's an icy morning. So what we're going to do now is we are going to change the 2 filters that I have. And so I'm going to go off camera and set up my set up my ladder, and then we'll get started on that, and I'll show you about changing the filter. All right, so I've set up my ladder, and up there is my vent. Oh, I can't figure out how to... Okay, anyway, I use the Filtrete because I have allergies. Even though I clean a lot, I like to make sure that, you know, we have as little dust as possible. So I'm going to open these up and switch out these. Okay, you see this arrow? You want to make sure that that arrow goes up to the sky. Okay? So when you're putting it in, that just goes up just like that. And yes, I'm still in my jammies because it's icing outside. I don't have to change. Well, great place to put a shelf. It's been 3 months since the last filter change, so I'm interested to see. Wow, it's pretty dirty. It's amazing. I really don't want to drop it and get dust everywhere. Okay, so I took this off and cleaned it last time. It still looks good. So I'm going to leave that. Put that up there. You want to stay. And you're done. You only have to do that once every 3 months. This is only 3 months, and I keep my house clean. Flippin' disgusting. From that to that. In 3 months. That is just amazing. Okay, I've got one more to do upstairs. All right, this is going to be one of those times where I say, do as I say, not as I do, because I'm just using a step stool to reach this one, but I did close my door to use that handle to hold on to, but it's not safe. It's not recommended. Please use a ladder. Don't be silly like me. So Kitty and I are getting ready to change my upstairs one. Let's see how dirty this one is. That's it. Done. All right, so I figure what we'll do now is we'll go outside and take those vents to the trash and you can see the ice storm. Yay! And yes, my house is a wreck. Look at that. Oh, ridiculous. Ridiculous. Cats spilled food everywhere. That's all right. We're just going to go out and see the ice. Ugh, look, that's a sheet of ice. Oh my God, can't pop. Choo-choo. Hi, kitten. Yep, so all of this was snow yesterday and then it warmed up, melted. Now it's freezing drizzle. Sheet of ice. Let's go. Look out front. There it is out front. What is it, Katan? What is that stuff falling? How can you get it? It's moving. I want to get it, Mommy. Prettiest kitten. Lion face. Ain't paying me any attention. I bet if I had some peace for you, you'd pay attention.